Welcome to the 2022 Ride Engineering Competition, hosted by the Theme Park Entertainment Group at Iowa State University. University students are invited to form teams to design, analyze, and manufacture an amusement park ride over the course of 6 months. Teams will engineer the physical ride in terms of its operation, dynamics, and riders. That is, wrapped, chewy candy riders. First, create and deliver a project charter to organize your team. Then, get to work developing the concept and risk assessment of your ride and start a compliance analysis with the ASTM F2291 standard in conjunction with the provided ASTM adaptation document. Your preliminary design will undergo a review of risk assessment and concept before your ride system has been developed. Once developed, an additional final design review of your work will allow you to spend the rest of your time completing the ride, its documentation, and your final presentation. Teams are recommended to register as soon as possible, as registration closes on December 3rd. Your deliverable schedule will be determined based on your registration date. At the final event, you will operate your ride for a total of 8 hours with riders replaced every hour. Rides will sit on a flat table and be no larger than 750 by 750 by 900 millimeters. No part of the ride may exit this space at any point during operation. Operations interfaces may be placed outside of this space, but all other electronics must be contained within. All rides must have a clearly labeled emergency stop function so that anyone at the event can stop the ride in the event of malfunction. Roller coasters and rides that passively follow a track for the majority of the ride experience are not allowed in this year's competition. Your design may emulate existing rides, be an original design, or be anything in between. We are looking for rides that have 3 key experiences at any point during the ride cycle. Riders shall be lifted 300 millimeters above their loading position, change orientation by at least 45 degrees in any direction, and experience at least 2 Gs of absolute acceleration force. If a ride malfunctions during the 8 hours of operation, teams are responsible for servicing their rides and returning them to operation as soon as possible. Judges at the event will score the ride's functions, innovation, and theming. Teams will also present their process and final ride to our panel of industry judges of their ride and their design to ensure that their ride can be made functional on April 9th. This could include modular deconstruction into a padded parcel or checked luggage. A vital skill as engineers is optimizing to reduce costs where possible. For their final ride design, teams will record all the materials and labors that went into the final ride and evaluate a bid price. This bid will be submitted without knowledge of other teams' bids. The team with the least expensive bid will keep their final score, but the team with the most expensive bid will be deducted 100 points. The remaining teams will receive relative deductions based on placement. There are 1,000 points available. However, only 750 points are expected for teams that perform at the level of a professional ride engineering team. Additional points can be earned in each section by going above and beyond. Scoring above 500 points will be a great achievement. We look forward to seeing you in April 2022. Register your team at tpeg.stuorg.iastate.edu now until December 3rd. Good luck, ride engineers!